Alright, Tubes, got something pretty interesting here for you today. We're over at the 805 Road King Ranch. We got Road King himself, we got Daddy Dirt Bike, we got Mike over there, just about the whole gang. So we're working on this lawnmower here, and you might remember this from a video I did, I think about 9 months ago. It was last May, maybe not that long ago, but anyhow, it has a bent shaft on it. It's a Honda mower, and you know, pretty standard. But anyway, it's got a bent shaft on it. Why don't you show them there? It's so bad that you can actually see the whole thing wobbling, the whole clutch assembly.
You got the plug disconnected, buddy?
No. Oh man. But anyway, so what were you gonna say? I know. That's what I said. I said no.
Do as we do, not as we say.
Yeah. But anyway, we're gonna attempt to straighten the shaft out here. We've seen it done before with varying degrees of success. So we figured we'd try it out. We're not really looking to, you know, use this, but if it works, it works. Yeah. And if it doesn't, it doesn't.
We got the best body man on the East Coast, right?
That's right.
Give it a try.
So we'll try it out. All right, stand by here. All right. So I think this is as far as I took it off the last time. And then I realized it was bent and I stopped. So. I guess we got to figure out how to get this off of here. I guess that's pressed on there. I don't know. So we're going to have to evaluate what's going on here and try and get the clutch off. Go from there. Alright, we got the puller on this thing. Same way we had it on the other thing. It appears to be coming off pretty easily. Oh! Uh-oh. It slipped off.
Alright, take two.
Alright, take two. Stand by.
Well, bearings.
Where'd they come from?
Oh!
Oh no!
I think it came off, but not the way it was supposed to.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Yeah, we might have damaged it.
Oh well.
Might have damaged a damaged mower.
Yeah.
Oh well.
There you go, Tubes. So we got that whole clutch assembly off. So what we're doing is we're evaluating where exactly the bend is at. We think it's pretty much
up where the bearing
is. Yeah, as close to the bearing or at the bearing as it can be. So, like I said, we're not really planning on actually using this. That's why we kind of ended up destroying the clutch in the process of taking it off, because it might not actually be safe to use this after we're straightening it. Alright, Road King's trying to find the high spot here.
What about there, buddy?
It looks pretty good.
Let's see if this hand works. We might have to get a bigger one.
Yeah.
There you go.
Try it out.
I think we might have went too much.
Oh yeah, look, it's bent the other way now.
Look at that. Actually, it is better.
You think?
Yeah, much better.
Did you mark the top?
Well, there's a big smash mark on it. There we go. There's a 10. Try it again, buddy.
Where's your safety glasses at?
This is old school, buddy. We don't need them.
Okay.
That's a lot better.
Yeah, it is.
Try that, buddy.
Alright. You got it?
Look at that. Dead on. Look at that. Look at that. I bet you that wouldn't vibrate.
Oh yeah. Hey, you can use that now.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at that.
There you go.
Let's go mow the lawn.
Alright. Alright, we're gonna fire this thing up and see how it runs.
See if it vibrates. Go ahead, buddy.
Yeah, okay.
I say it won't. pretty good.
That is pretty good.
Yeah, that's better than it was. You know, I mean,
Oh yeah.
that wasn't vibrating at all, buddy.
Before it'll vibrate so much, if I held the handle like this, I could like move it around like one of those things you clean the floor with.
No, I'd call that a success. You know, it looked like hell when you're slamming on it with a sledgehammer, but you know, before you had junk, now you got
That's right.
junk with a straight blade, with a straight shaft. There you go. End this thing, will you?
Oh man, that was a fun video.
That
All right,
was.
tubes. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
All right, see the stars, buddy. Almost.
Choke.